Mm-hmm.
She knows. She knows how to push it. And she knows she.
Pick it up. No, not you. Shamiracle. Pick it up.
This is why I wake up to.
Little girl, I know you hear me. I said pick it up. Oh, so you gonna ignore me? I'm not talking about your car. Pick that thing that you threw out. Pick it up. You ain't gonna pick it up? You ignore me?
I think that goes to her car seat.
No, it doesn't go to her car seat.
Oh.
Pick that thing up off the floor.
Get that. It's a miracle.
And she just completely ignored you too. That little girl don't care.
It's a miracle. Pick that up. Not that.
I told you she doing what she wants.
It's a miracle.
And she going straight by it. She know exactly what you're talking about.
Pick that up. Pick it up.
I don't know why she's putting everything in that buggy.
Look. Don't.
You need to bring my laundry basket back in here so you can put your dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
And she gonna have a hard time.
She put the laundry basket by the door.
No, I'll just put it back.
I don't know why she put the laundry basket by the door, but she put it by the door. The front door.
Where's she going?
Your room.